Archetypes Unlocked. One part of the golden key that unlocks symbolic secrets is understanding archetypes. Carl Jung referred to this phenomenon as the collective unconscious. Here we will look at some archetypes to understand what they are and their impact on communication, whether written or pictorial. Archetypal images do not pass through the logical or language processes of the brain. They speak directly to our associative function, being understood without thought. Some have been transferred from generation to generation in our genetic memories, embedded in our DNA. The definition of an archetype is the first of a thing that has been imitated, or a typical example of something. An archetypal symbol is one that represents a sight or experience common to all humanity, one that is recognized universally. One of the most powerful of these is mother and child, something seen and felt since there have been mothers. In every country, every culture, every tribe, it is understood. A symbol of the creative force, the Madonna and Child is revered in religious and spiritual traditions from Catholicism to alchemy. A mother's love is said to be the most compelling, most powerful force in creation, and when this image is seen or described, it conveys more in mere seconds than could be said in volumes of written words. Another fundamental archetype is the sun, so necessary to life. Sun worship began in the Ice Age, when months and months of iron-cold winter, temperatures exceeding 50 below zero, threatened human survival. The return of the golden orb, bringing its heat and light, surely meant more to our ancestors than to our modern culture, where heat and light are generated on demand. The sun is seen from every corner of the earth, with the exception of the deepest oceans and caves. At the bottom of the ocean, there are life forms that generate their own source of light, such as the anglefish, made popular in Nemo. Light is life. Sun gods are symbols of this powerful, life-giving force. Mythologies of dead and resurrected sun kings all allude to the golden sun as it travels from winter solstice to summer solstice and back. At its lowest point in winter, the sun appears to die for 3 days, lingering low in the sky. Then it begins its climb, coming back to life. Another archetype is water, thought to be the cradle and grave of life, and a very important element in many spiritual traditions for purification and healing. One Greek philosophy considers water to be the sentient element, which inhabits all life forms. There are many more archetypes, too many to list here. For more on this subject, see my book, Symbology, Hidden in Plain Sight. Next time on Symbols Unlocked, we will dig into the mystery of the vampire, a tangled legend of war, religion, and immortality.